App Creator, Social Widgets, News Wall. Okay, so if you watched the previous tutorial on the fan wall, the news wall is very similar, minus a feature or two. Okay, so what we're going to do, just like any other feature, we can change the icon by clicking on this button, and we can change by one of the preloads, or we can add a new here. We can also change the name by clicking here and giving it a new name. We can activate or deactivate, and we can enable or disable social sharing by this slider here. Okay, so to add a new news on your wall, you're going to come here to add. You're going to give it a title. So we're just going to call this Google. I'm going to give it a date. Let's say today's date. We're going to give it a subtitle or not. Just put this here. And then we can also put text here. If we want to put in the source code, we can click this button. If we want to put in the hyperlink, send people to a different page, we can insert one here. We just have to have some text behind it. So let's say we go Google, and then we can highlight, click on hyperlink, and then we're going to type in the web address here, google.com, and press OK. That becomes a clickable link. We can also insert a picture, whatever you want, and then we're going to have to crop it so that it fits the parameters. And then we come here, press OK, and then once we're done, we're going to press OK again up top. Once we get our green light, we can see our news wall here. When people come in and click, our users come and click on the picture, and they're going to get that link here that we put in, or any other text that we put in. If they're logged in, they can like your post, or they can leave a comment. Now, something else you can do is you can manage them. You can go ahead and manage the comments here if you want, or you can go and look up everything about your current news feature, or you can delete it too. You can change the background if you want to have a different background. You can upload your own image here, and then you can also change the design. So this is going to be how they show up. So let's say you have multiple different news here on your wall. You can change how the features will pop up for your users. Okay, and that is basically it. I will talk to you in the next tutorial.